Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name's Walter O'Neill, and in today's video I'm going to, well, it's not going to be one video. Yesterday I went to Sully car boot sale. What can I say? I bought that much stock, it's going to be split into 3 videos, or maybe even 4. Literally, I spent a few £100 in Sully, and well, what can I say? Some of the stock is absolutely amazing. Some of it is working stock, and there's 1 or 2 little question marks that I'm going to have to do some research on. So, yeah. So consider this the introduction for all the videos, because I'm going to splice this at the beginning of every video now, guys. So I'm going to split it into the 3 videos or 4 videos, wherever it is, do half a dozen to or so per video, so you get to see the items correctly and tidy. And we're going to go from there. But there's a lot of stock. I literally filled the car up yesterday. Gelligear was cancelled because of bog. It was so much rain over the last few months. They ran it last week and it was great, but we had more rain again this week and it was cancelled. So I went down to Sully. I done Sully first, walked around Sully, bought absolutely tamps, then thought, oh, I'm going to nip over to Bessemer. I went up to Bessemer and bought loads more. Then I thought, well, I was going to go down to Bridgend. I thought time was ticking on by then. It was nearly 10:30, so I thought I'm going to go back to Sully, because there was some pieces I saw earlier in the day that I left there that were just a bit dear, or that I was just being fussy because I was buying so much. And I was kicking myself when I was in Bessemer. And it'll teach me for kicking myself. But I went back and I had most of what I wanted. I missed the 1 or 2 pieces I left there. But they were slightly overpriced anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. But at the same time, I went back to Sully, walked around again as they were packing up, and I bought far more than I expected. And some really nice pieces that I would have bought if I'd seen them first time round. So all in all, yesterday was a magnificent buying day. Now I'm going to change the structure of the videos this week slightly. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to see how it goes, and I'd like to know your opinions. I'm going to show you half a dozen pieces, tell you what I bought them for, then I'm going to research them on eBay and show you what I found. So you'll get to see the, say, 6 or 7 or 8 pieces wherever I do. Obviously I'll tell you what I bought them for before I do the research now, because I'm making the film. Then I'm going to sit down and I'm going to find all the comparatives on eBay and on Google and all the rest of it, and then I'll do a little video showing you what each one of those is actually worth, and then we'll close it up from there. So yeah, hope you're ready. Okay guys, this is the final part of the Sully video, and here's the jewellery section. As you can see, there is a nice little selection here. I'm going to start at the top here. We have a pair of beautiful silver earrings. Coming along there, we have a cubic zirconia set necklace and earrings. Bear with me. Upside down. There we go. Come across here is the rest of that set. The earrings at the beginning, this is the set to match them, and that's the description that it reads. The Celtic heart is created with a single continuous interlacing line. This symbolizes all the different emotions that come from a single beating heart. The winding knot represents both the complexity of the self and the binding of relationships, where this heart is charm of happy love and good friendship. So we got the heart and the necklaces there, all in the same set, all boxed in the same box too. We come across here, we have a pair of silver earrings with marquisites and a silver ring with, bear with me, not sure what this is. It's some type of stone or enamel, I'm not sure. But there's a mark in there somewhere. Bear with me. There it is. Just there. So again, silver set, ring and earrings. We have beautiful silver ring set with gemstones. Don't know what stones they are, probably citrines or something like that, but nice silver ring. I'll give you prices in just a second, guys. This one here is quite beautiful. As you can see, all pierced up the sides and everything, sterling silver with a large stone. And the certificate of authenticity, let's see what it is. And it is white quartz. That's a large piece of white quartz, 18 carats. That is 18 carats of white quartz. Sterling silver. Here we have a costume jewellery brooch. That's by the company, Scottish company called Miracle, and they were known for using locally mined agate and glass and things like that. They will be stamped on the back, Miracle, they always are. There it is at the top, just there, 12 o'clock. Many companies done them, but Miracle tend to pull good money. We have another ring here. Beautiful stone in that. Again, nice sides. And this one is a lemon quartz, sterling silver ring. 9 carats, that quartz is. Come up here to a sterling silver ring. Struggled to find the mark on this one, but it is in there. There it is, just there. But I did struggle on the day to find that one. We got a pair of earrings. This one's missing the loop, but they are solid silver, so it don't matter if they go scrap. Oh, hang on, back up. We got a lovely silver and green turquoise ring. I'll straighten that up on my ring gauge and that'll be square in no time because silver is very soft. And we have a pendant that is a Roman coin, and it comes with this, a widow's mite. This small Jewish bronze coin takes its name from the biblical story when Jesus praised a poor widow for giving her only 2 coins, while the rich merchants gave only a small portion of their wealth. We have the certificate from Fortunum and Masons in Piccadilly, London. We certify the artifact described of leaf is a relic of the ancient civilization listed. It's guaranteed to be entirely authentic and in original condition. So that is supposed to be, where are we? 135 before Christ or 29 Anno Domini. So that is a Roman relic. It's in lovely condition too. So that's quite nice. I don't mind having that in the shop. So there's my jewellery hoard, guys. Should we go through prices? Right, start down here. £5. That one. £5. 50 pence. £1.50. £1.50. £1. 50 pence. £5. No. £10. £5. Those two there come in for £3 and that come in for £1. So what do you think of that? Isn't that a really nice little jewellery haul there for that little money? Now let me go through what I'm going to be selling them at. 30, 30, 25, scrap, 15, tenner, 15, I'll split them, tenner, 15, 15, 15 for the ring, tenner for the earrings and 30 for the ring. And that's roughly where I'm going to be on this jewellery side. So I haven't done the math, but that's going to turn out to a really good return, guys. Okay guys, hopefully you've enjoyed seeing this video and the bits of research. I'm going to run this series every single day. So basically I got, I think, 6-7 videos, wherever it is. I'm going to run one a day and get Sully's buying out the way. It's just so much stock and so many videos made from one day's buy-in. I'm just not going to keep up. If the buy-in keeps up like this, wow, what a year it's going to be. I don't know where to start. Yeah. Spend a few £100, but you know what, guys? Wow, wow, wow. Over the moon. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the video. Stay tuned for the rest of the series, guys, on this Sully buy-in, part 1 through all the way up. And hopefully you liked the new style of filming. Showing you a bit of research as well. If you did, let me know, guys, because if you don't like that side of it, I won't put it in. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, I would appreciate a like and a share, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave me know you've subscribed and I'll give you a thumbs up. You'll find me on Facebook. I have a page and a group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on eBay, Antiques Arena Clearance. I have my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com. Or you can come to the shop and visit me in the shop. It's Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot 45, 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.